Oh, we got another upgrade for the truck. Check it out. Now I just got to figure out how I'm gonna fit it in there. So yeah, finally we got some refrigeration in the truck. This has been a long time coming and I'm super stoked. And yeah, no more coolers, no more melted ice, no more floating waterlogged food. We have refrigeration. Woo! Little victories. This build is coming together slowly but surely. So if you guys really want to come along for the adventure and the build, follow along. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everybody.